Welcome back. We've done with the remote data source and the repository. So we finished the model layer. Now let's move to the view model layer. The view model is a crucial component responsible for managing and providing data to the UI, the view, while maintaining the separation of concerns. It's part of Android Architecture Components and serves as a bridge between the data source, the model, and the UI components, the view. The primary purpose of a view model is to store and manage UI-related data, ensuring that this data persists across configuration changes, like, for example, device rotation, and that the UI remains responsive. Let's move to Android Studio and learn how to add and create the view models. I'll create a new package. I'll name it as ViewModel and make sure that you name your packages with small letters. Then inside this package, I'll create a new Java class and I'll name it as QuizViewModel. Again, guys, I want from you to focus with me. There are a lot of concepts, a lot of details. Please go back to the view models section in order to learn more about view models. But don't worry, I'll explain everything I write. Extends view model. We have two types of view models, either Android view model or view model, and they are both from the Lifecycle package. Both the view model and Android view model are components provided by the Android Architecture Components that play a role in managing and persisting UI-related data across configuration changes. However, they serve slightly different purposes and have different life cycles. For example, the regular view model is a component of the Android Architecture Components and is part of the MVVM model view model pattern. It's a basic class for a view models and it's not tied to the Android framework. This is the view model. It's an abstract class. It's designed to store and manage UI-related data and provides an abstraction layer between the UI components, activities, and fragments, and the underlying data source, for example, a database, network service, or repository. This separation of concerns helps in maintaining a clean and testable architecture. But a view model is not aware of Android application or context and should not be used to access Android specific components like system services, resources, or preferences. It makes the management of pure data and the presentation logic very simple. While the Android view model is a subclass of a view model that is aware of the Android application context. This allows you to access Android-specific components such as system services, resources, and preferences, making it suitable for situations where you need application-wide context or access to system services. In this example, I'm not going to access context, so I remove Android. I'll use view model. I don't need to access the context. Okay? I'll start by creating a quiz repository instance. Repository equals to new quiz repository. The repository is used to interact with data source, example, an API in this application, and fetch data. Then I need to create live data of type questions list, questions live data. LiveData is an observable data holder class that allows you to observe changes in the underlying data. In this case, it's expected to hold a question list object, which suggests that it's intended to store a list of questions. Then I'll create a constructor, empty constructor for the quiz view model, and inside it, I'll initialize the questions list live data repository.get questions from API. This method used to fetch questions from an API. It likely returns a live data object containing a question list object. So if we will go back, you can see from the repository, its returning type is live data of question list. Then I need to create a method called get question list or questions list live data, or I can create it. It's a getter method for this live data. You can click Alt plus insert getter and select this, or you can write it. This is a getter method that allows external components, example the UI components, to access the questions list live data. It returns questions list live data as a live data of type questions list object. Congratulations, we finished the view model.